Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How do you solve this question? This is an MIT Integration P question of 2024 regular season quarterfinals. So please subscribe to my channel for more of this content. So what if I told you that you can really solve this one under 1 minute? This is very quick. If you begin to do some factorizations, some things will cancel out nicely. So let's get into it. So this is the integral of tan inverse of x. So I'm going to factorize tan inverse of x out, and that's going to be left with 1 minus x dx in the numerator. In the denominator, this is 1 minus x. I can factorize x squared out here between x squared and x cubed, and that'll be left with 1 minus x. So the integral of tan inverse of x times 1 minus x dx all over. So 1 minus x is really a common term between this term and this term. So that is going to be 1 minus x, and that is going to be 1 plus x squared, like this. So we can see that this 1 minus x will cancel 1 minus x, and you're left with the integral of the tan inverse of x all over 1 plus x squared dx, like this. So we can do a u sub here. We can really finish this up, but for the sake of illustration, so u is going to be 1 plus x squared. So we let u to be equal to the tan inverse of x. So du is going to be differentiating tan inverse of x is going to be 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. So that is how we differentiate the arctan of x. And this integral really is now the integral of the tan inverse of x times 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. And that is going to be the integral of tan inverse of x is u times this one is du. So that is du. So that is going to be 1/2 u squared. But what is u? U is tan inverse of x. So that is tan inverse of x squared. So this is the value of our integral. So therefore, if we integrate this one, which is tan inverse of x minus x times tan inverse of x all over 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed dx. This one simplifies nicely to 1/2 tan inverse of x all squared. So this is the value of our MIT Integration B question. So if you find this helpful, make sure you smash the subscribe button for more engaging content. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.